God's instructions are simple. That's one of the major points I learned today. If there was anything I took from today's message, was that God's instructions are simple. However, the devil, with his tricky nature, tries to complicate instructions so as to confuse the believer. God gives clear instructions through his word, but then once again the devil tries to twist things around. For example, the instruction is, do not forsake the assembly of the brethren, as in come to church and fellowship together in brethren. But then once again, what does the devil do with this trick? Do you have to come to church? Can't you just stay at home and worship from your house? Another instruction, tithe is 10% of your income. The devil's tricks to make the issue even more complex than it is. Is it 10% of gross? Is it 10% of net? Could 9% work? I mean, do I have to pay every time? Making the instruction even more complex. The truth is, many of the prayers that we've been praying, God has answered them already. But the instruction that God gives, because the truth is, God answers us sometimes through instructions, but the instructions appear too simple. So it's like, and then we don't believe it, and the devil really snatches that, because he uses the opportunity to snatch our blessing. Please, many of us have been praying, for example, for God, what is our purpose? What is our purpose? Show me why I'm here. Tell me why I'm here. And God gives you a simple instruction. Do this, do this, do this. For example, prepare your signature speech. You're about to be given a platform to speak. It's too simple for some individuals. They're expecting maybe God to tell them to run, climb a mountain, fast for 10 days, pray for 1 hour, and then he will speak to you. Because you've been saved and because you've given your life to Christ, you are entitled to hear from God. So please, let us hearken and pay close attention to the simple instructions that God has given us. Many people may pray, okay, God, show me my wife. I believe that I'm a right age to be married. And some people are praying, God, show me my wife, show me my spouse. And God says, this is the woman. But then you think it's too easy an instruction. No, God, this can't be the one. Lord, show me. Lord, show me. This is the woman. And God, show me. I mean, many of us, we've been given certain instructions by God, but because we've not acted on those instructions, the next phase of our lives can't be opened up, because by your obedience to this instruction will lead to the next instruction being unveiled. So this week, I would just like to ask us to self-examine ourselves and reflect. What are the things that God has been telling us time and time again? Simple instructions. And let us act on them. Because the truth is, the devil's goal is to distract you, to make the issue of God and his instructions complex. God gives us simple instructions through his word. Let us just apply them, and the blessings of God will open up in our lives. God bless you as you really take action on some of the instructions God has given you this week. God bless you.